This is $1,000,000 view. Hey guys, I'm going back to retrieve the camera that I left here 4 days ago, except I'm taking a different route. I'm taking actually 532. Last time I went to the location through Highwood Junction, and today I'm taking maybe a little bit of a shortcut, because that's only a few kilometers, 25 kilometers exactly to the location through 532. But one thing I have to do is I have to pull over and get the phone out of here. I don't want that thing to be bouncing on that washboard. Got traction control off. Slipping. And it's a weekend. There might be quite a bit of vehicle going through here, my guess. So there's a good chance I get dusty. And last couple of days, actually, yesterday it didn't rain, and today it didn't rain for now, but I guess time will show. I know there's a rain for the forecast tomorrow. I've got to look at the time, how long it's gonna take me to get across. I will be really disappointed if I don't find nothing on a trail cam, but that wouldn't be the first time. Would be nice to get some footage. Last time when I was here, it's like a couple of months ago, and at the top of the pass I still had snow. I don't think that should be the issue today. Yeah, there is quite a bit. Look, one after another. That's what happens when you go on the weekend here. I'll be freaking covered in dust. Another, the one down at the bottom. At least here the wind is blowing in the right direction for me, to pushing this everything off to the side. Technically I should clean my air filters before heading to Idaho in 2 weeks basically, but I think I will leave it after the Idaho, because there's gonna be more dust, and to clean the filters on this bike is a pain in the ass. Livingston public land. Well, there's some people camping, flying proudly our Alberta flag. actually filming the whole thing. Pretty soon we're gonna, that's Indian graves, and pretty soon we're gonna start climbing. Oh man, there's 3 cars that are coming up here. No way I could have stayed behind 3 of them. Bumpy as hell. Ah, washboard. Holy ever. Nowhere to avoid it. I think the washboard is something that I hate the most from when I'm off-roading. Everything else I can deal with, but the washboard is like, I hate it. And sometimes it's not suitable to drive too fast. Now look at this shit. It's unbelievable. Oh man, that is the worst washboard I've seen on this road. I'm gonna stop or it's gonna be all the way. A little bit of brake. Now I don't know if I want to be returning that way or just go the other way. I want to deal with this stuff. This is beyond crap. And it's a very long stretch. Wind picked up here on top. Actually, it is much better. No more washboard. So it's probably about 2-3 kilometers of that hardcore washboard. Now I'm getting down to the main road very shortly. Well, not a main road, but main trunk. Okay, I will try to connect to the Wi-Fi and see if we have anything. I'm not sure if that's not too far, but let's see. I might be a little bit too far from that camera. Okay, let's see if I can find it. There it is. There's the camera. Okay, I'm gonna try to connect one more time. Okay, is it dead or what's going on? Or is the app just messed up? Okay, connected to the camera. Oh yeah! Looks like we have an animal. Oh yeah, he's running through there pretty quickly. Let's check the video. Holy, it was here for literally 4 days and not too many encounters, but yeah, there she is. A beautiful doe. I'll bring that up on the computer and we'll see. So we do have some footage. Mission accomplished. And check out the battery. After 4 days, it's still at 100%. So and there is no secondary battery, just running on the rechargeable and solar. 4 days out, right here in this forest, and camera is still fully charged, which is awesome. Alright guys, it's pretty much time to wrap up this video. I'm glad I got some footage at least on a trail cam. Usually there's nothing. Maybe if I would have left it longer that would be fine, but the thing is I can't, because on Monday tomorrow I'm gonna have to go back to work for another few days, and I have only a couple days off in between where my wife is gonna come back from States, so I wouldn't be able to come back and pick it up before heading out on Idaho BDR. But anyways, if you enjoyed that quick little ride through those mountains here and Highway 532, hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I'm not gonna film the whole thing back, there's no point. The only maybe if I'm gonna see some animals, maybe a bighorn sheep, because they like to hang out here, on the other side as I go past that lake where it's on the side, on those rocky edges. I'm gonna keep my eyes open this time, because last time I was concentrating on the road, on that washboard. I'm gonna drive a little bit slower through here now. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. And here we got that spectacular view coming up. It's beautiful. This is $1 million view. One thing you wouldn't want to do is stumble down these mountains. That was actually a good decision. For some reason, going down, there's not much of a washboard, it's just going up. Wow, look at this. And that's where the bighorn sheep usually hangs out. Those are some crazy mountains here.